So this is the Husky shower valve socket set. Here's all the different sizes. You get 10 of them. There's 5 sockets. One each end has a different size on it, and you get the handle there to tighten it. Here's the actual number at Home Depot: 1,828,298. So here's the different sizes. You get all these sizes, different sizes. Here's what I had to change today, and I was able to grab this one, but it didn't change. It didn't turn the whole thing. It turned this, and this stayed still. So I needed this socket, which is you see 29 31 32nd. So this end is 29 32nd. This end is 31 32nd. So I needed the 31 32nd, and you can see it slides over there, and it catches here. Now the thing is, you see where the end of the stem goes here, so you have to lift that up a bit when you're putting your handle in. Make sure that clears that. So there's 5 of them in the set. A nice carrying case here, little metal carrying. Slide them all through. And you put the handle on. There you go. So shut the hot and cold water off. It will speed things up. Remove the little plastic cap with your fingernail or just a small screwdriver. Now we can get at the number 2 Phillips screw holding on this handle. Remove that. And I always put something in the bathtub, the stopper, so they don't lose that screw. There it goes. Now I can remove the handle. It's on the hot side. Just pulls off. Now this threads off. The flange threads off. It threads into the valve. Just take that off. Now we're going to remove the whole valve. We've got the water shut off. Now I just get inside there, just enough room for me to get inside this. So it just fits. Just over top there, just enough room to get in. Now I'm going to use the little metal piece that comes with it and remove the valve. Just pull out, and you're going to see in this particular one that there's no, on the end of it, there's no screw on the end. See, no screw or no washer. So the washer actually got that come off. The screw come off, come loose. There it is. There's the washer, and it's partially broken off there. So we're going to replace the whole valve stem today. We're going to change the cold side as well. So take that cap off. Just use a screwdriver or a thumbnail, and take the 2 Phillips screw off. And we've got the stopper inside the bathtub, so we don't lose the screw down the drain. Get the screw out, turn to the left to remove it. Take our valve off. There it goes. Almost went down the drain, but we plugged it. So take the valve off and take this flange off. It just turns to the left. It's threaded into that valve assembly. Pull that off. Now take our shower tool to remove the whole stem. This is the cold water side. Remove the whole stem. Just slide that over. Fits over nicely. And just turn to the left to remove it. So handy, this shower valve stem, to remove it. You got to pull up a bit. The stem is sticking out, and now we get the handle in there to get past. There you go. Now we can remove it. Once you get it started, it'll come off easy. Remove the cold water. We're replacing both of these stems. This is the valve on the end of the screws on the end of it with the gasket, so or washer rather. So now we're going to replace it, brand new one. Let's get it started here. Turn it to the right to start it. Just take your time, make sure you don't cross-thread it. Tighten it up. And we'll use our wrench or our piece here to tighten it completely. Don't over tighten it, just snug it up a bit and then tighten it. You don't want to over tighten it. The handle in and then just finish it off by just tighten it, and you can get a lot of torque on it if you want, but the flange back in, that white part actually threads into the new valve. So just hand tight, doesn't have to be over tightened, just hand tight. Now we're going to put the cold water cap back on and just line up on the grooves. There's some grooves there, just line it up. Put our number 2 Phillips screw back in to hold the handle in place. Tighten that up, turn to the right. Tighten that up. And we'll put the cap back on, cold water cap. And put the cap back on and then make sure that the valves are shut. The cap back on and then make sure the valves are shut. Turn the water back on. Let's speed things up. Water's back on and no drips. You enjoyed my video today on changing these out here. Probably didn't need to change the whole thing. You could have just changed this, put a new screw in here, a new washer, and just replace that part of it. But I decided to change the whole thing. This actually was starting to, the knobs were starting to slide on this. So one thing I mentioned that when the new one, I did not check it, but when I put it together, it leaked here, and this was not tight inside here. So when you get this part, make sure this is tight. You can put Teflon tape in there as well. So please share my video and ring that bell to be notified next time I upload a video. And please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, helps grow my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you on the next video.